How can you enable the reading mode on the Android? Let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it kind of depends on what you mean specifically by the reading mode, but in a lot of cases, people mean that when you tap on something, it gets read out loud to you. And if that's the thing that you are going after, just open up the settings and find accessibility settings. It's somewhere closer toward the bottom. Just tap on accessibility and there's a feature called talkback, and as you can see right here, it's like a whole page dedicated for this purpose. You even have like a little tutorial at the bottom so you can see how you can use it, how you can use the volume keys and so on. But that basically means that when you enable it, every single thing or area which you tap on is going to be read out loud to you, and that's a great accessibility feature, and it's also likely the thing that you have in mind and that you are looking for. So if that is the type of reading mode that you have in mind, then that's basically how you can enable it. Outside of that, some people might mean different things, right? Like how you can read out loud a specific text on your phone, something that you select. And I guess that could technically work as well, because you can just open up any place where you have some text. You can hold it down on it and you should be able to see and tap on the speak feature. If you don't have it available, just make sure you install the speak feature from the Play Store. But that's how you could also basically enable the reading mode, but specifically for some things which you select. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I hope that I was able to explain that. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future uploads.